That's a great song. Let's hear some more words.
This is the kitchen. And it is hot because someone is baking.
Is that your ode to the kitchen?
Yes. Now it is time for the one called Uh-oh, the refrigerator fell over and broke into pieces. Uh-oh, the refrigerator broke into pieces. It's a short song.
I like that one.
That means we're going to do it again.
Okay.
Uh-oh, the refrigerator is falling over and going to break. That's another part of it.
Mm-hmm.
Now, I'm going to I'm playing more notes. Uh-oh. The refrigerator fell over and broke into pieces.
Good job. I like that song.
Uh-oh. We can't fix it. Now the one I recorded is called Uh-oh, a banana's rotten. Yeah.
I haven't heard that one. How's it go?
A banana is rotten. It's just a short song.
That's another short one.
Do you want to hear it again?
Sure, I'd love to.
That means it's going to do it again.
I'm ready.
Uh-oh, a banana is rotten. Now I'm ready to record another song.
Great.
Mommy, I was just recording songs.
I love them. Can I hear more? May I please hear more?
Let's see.
I guess you can't rush great art, Mommy.